Hey guys, so imagine the scenario. You are on a starter HubSpot plan, which does not have any workflows or automations, and you've just sent out a newsletter. You've seen quite a bit of opens and clicks, and you now want to reach out to all of these people and see if you can convert them into customers. So there's a way, even if you don't have a workflow, you can still use Zapier and bring about this automation, and that is what we are going to see and discuss in today's video. So let's dive into it. So guys, let's get started. So to start off with, I'll go to my HubSpot instance and open up lists. So over here, if you see, I have already created this list of newsletter opens. Yep. So it's like a HubSpot glitch which keeps happening. Yep. So over here, if you see, these are all the contacts which have been enrolled, and this is an active list. So whenever someone opens up a newsletter, they would directly get enrolled into this particular list, and that is the exact feature which we are going to use to automate this process and send out those emails. So I'll head on to Zapier now, and I'll just so this is the Zap which I've created. Over here, if I see app and event, I've connected my HubSpot account over here, and the trigger over here is a new contact added to a list. So new contact and list, that the list which we've created over here. Whenever a new contact is added over here, this Zap will spring into action. So if I click on continue, this is the my HubSpot account. The trigger over here is the contact list, and I'll just press continue. So it will check any record, continue with a selected record, and that is where the HubSpot trigger is something which we've configured. Now the action to it is through Zoho email. So I use Zoho mail. You could use any other. If you're using Gmail or Microsoft Outlook, you would just sync in your account and get started. So Zoho mail for here, and event over here would be send email. So that whenever a contact is enrolled into this list, we are asking Zoho mail to send out an email. This is my Zoho mail account, and the action over here is to would be the name. So if I say the email ID over here. Yep. So this would be the email ID. The next one would be, this is an optional case for BCC. You can just put in your the HubSpot BCC ID so that these get logged into HubSpot, and you are able to see them in your HubSpot account as well. From would be obviously your name, and this is the email. This is the subject line. Hi, first name. So I've done a bit of personalization. I've used this dynamic token of first name so that the subject line is personalized. The body type would be plain, and this is where I have created the email ID. So the email content. Hi, first name. I saw that you opened up my newsletter and all of it. And so this is the email, and I press on continue. So this is how it would look like. So let's say, hi Harry, I saw that you opened up my email and all of this. And we could just, because I've already created this app, we could just retest this particular thing. Over here, if you see, this is how it would be. And all of them have been successful. And once you do that, for me, it's already in action. You could just publish this app, and this app will now automatically, whenever a contact is enrolled over here, directly send out emails to the people who opened up your email ID. So that is how you send out emails, or you create a workflow which sends out emails whenever someone opens a newsletter, or there could be any other action over there, and that is how we do it. So yeah, that is it for now. Thank you.